morning. This is Dr. S. Prince Emil, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. SNS College of Technology is the first Indian institution to implement the design thinking framework in the entire curriculum. The subject which I am going to discuss is about wearable technologies for healthcare. The topic name is PPG. PPG stands for Photoplethysmography. It is a kind of sensor which is used to monitor the heart rate of a person and the SpO₂ level. Heart rate, the second one is nothing but the SpO₂ level. So, these two are the basic parameters of a human body, very basic parameters of the human body. If any variations occur in these two parameters, there are chances of death. So, how do the PPG signal is monitored? This is the topic I am going to discuss now. So, PPG sensor, as we all know, it will be placed in between the hands of our finger. So, once the sensor is placed inside our finger, the signal, it consists of two different types of diodes. The diodes emit light. One is nothing but the photodetector, another is something IR sensor. These diodes, they emit light and this light passes inside the finger through the human tissue. Once the light is passed into the human tissue, it is entered into the blood vessel. From the blood vessel, again the output signal comes out in the form of an analog signal, because whatever signals which is related to a human body like ECG, EEG imaging, initially it is nothing but an analog signal, because the human body can generate only analog signals. These analog signals are very low signals. It will be in the form of nano levels. Because the human body is like a circulating system, these signals will be a very nano levels. They can't cause any more voltage. So this, from the nano level signals, this has to be sent to the amplifying circuit or the signal conditioning circuit to convert it into a proper data, proper readable format. This conversion is taken place by their signal conditioning circuits. Because when we speak about the PPG device, as everyone knows, the display will be in the form of the normal heart rate of a person. Suppose the normal heart rate of a person is 78 BPM. It can go up to 78 to 90. If the heart rate goes to a very large extent, then we can easily say that there are some problems in the heart. Immediately the ECG signals, the echo signals, and the other treadmill test, etc. All the tests, BP monitoring, everything has to be done very spontaneously. Because if this basic parameter itself is problem, then the entire system has to be checked. The entire medical monitoring is to be done very easily. The last term is nothing but this mobile communication, because nowadays everything, the whatever data, even not about biomedical field or any field, the monitoring of signals means is entirely done through the smartphones only. The smartphone is the device, we can say in other words, it is a diagnostic tool, because whatever signals related to the sensors, it can be read through the smartphones, because nowadays there are no one without a smartphone. So here the smartphone plays a role. So the entire parameters of PPG signal are stored inside the smartphone. Each and every second is stored in the From the stored raw data, we can do the analysis part very easily, because for some kind of prescribed medicines by the doctor, continuous reading is important, because based on the average signals, we can predict what kind of disease, whether the BP is high in the morning time or in the afternoon session or in the noon time, when the stress level is increased, when the stress level is monitored. Likewise, continuous monitoring is needed. So we can use this mobile phone. Mobile phones are communicated through this smart sensors. This wearable technologies means it is kinds of different kinds of sensors which are used to monitor the parameters very easily and very quickly also. Once we can speak about this PPG module means the cost, the entire cost of this PPG module is very less, because it is like a one-time investment and there are no service replacement there, because these type of PPG modules, they purely work on DC batteries only. So based on these DC batteries, once the battery is finished, we can change the battery. There is no, unless it is extended damage, there is no need for any service. Thank you.